Hello everyone, this is the JPen Club. Here I recommend these two airbrushes, JP S030 and JP S020. The S030 with a diameter of 0.3 can be sprayed on a large area as well as in detail. We can see that its atomization is more delicate, and when spraying large areas and gradients, the paint surface is more evenly distributed, and there are no obvious grain spots on the edges of the atomized surface. The 0.2 caliber S020 is more focused on fine spraying. Better atomization and airtightness greatly reduce spitting and other problems and improve the spraying effect. When making a pull line or detail or shadow, you can spray a very fine atomized pull line to better control the gradient line and the edge of the shadow. Well, that's all for today's video. Goodbye.